മൈ ചാനൽ. നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും സുഖമാണെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്ന് ഈദിൻ്റെ പെരുന്നാളാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെയും എൻ്റെ ഹസ്ബൻഡിൻ്റെ വക ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ഈദ് ആശംസകൾ. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു ഈദ് ലുക്കാണ്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ദ ലുക്ക് ദാറ്റ് ഐ ആം ഗോണ ക്രിയേറ്റ്. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I've just used my LA Girl Pro Concealer on my eyelids. This is in the shade Warm Honey. But I'll be using the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me range. I guess the number it has is 25. This is a lighter shade. You can use a brush. I'm using my fingers to blend it because the fingers blend it very nicely. So I'm using my fingers. You can use a brush. You can see I've used the lighter shade. Now I'll be just setting it with my Anastasia banana powder. You can use any compact or any loose powder to set this concealer on my eye. Now I'll be starting with my eyeshadow application, but before that I'll just tape my outer corners here so that it just doesn't go underneath what I want. So I'll just put up the tape and I'll come back. So I'm back with my tapes aligned here. You can use any tape. I'm just using the normal tape. And now I'll start with my eyeshadow. So as you all know, I'll be using my Sandstorm palette from Barium Cosmetics, and in this I'll be using this shade. I'll be using on my crease line and on the outer end. Tap off the excess. So you can build up this eyeshadow how much ever you want. So just start with less product and then start building it up as per your wish. The way of application is just make a C out here and then start blending it in a circular motion. As I'm doing an Arabic look, I will build this up nicely, and it will take a long time for you to blend this out. Take time and blend it out, and don't be in a hurry doing all of these. Just take your time, blend it out properly everywhere. So now I'm going to use a bit darker shade on the same way. The application will be the same, and I'll be using a bit darker shade. I'll be using mainly this on the outer corner to give it a depth. Just do it with a very light hand. You see how it has been built up with the dark color? I'll build up a bit more. So I have built this up nicely. So after that I'll be using like a bit darker brown shade, this one, on just the outer corner of my eyes. Using like a thin applicator like this, I'll use this shade. I'll just give it a proper line first of all on the crease, and then I'll blend this up with my blender brush. So I've given this dark brown it on my crease. Now I'll be using the blending brush and I'll take a lighter brown shade from my palette Makeup by Revolution, and I'll take this brown shade, the lighter brown shade. I'll try to smudge it again. It's given me like a proper shade. If you see this and see this, you can see the dark brown on the crease. I'll be doing the same now on this side. Now the next step is cutting out the crease. So I'll be taking a brush like this. If you could see, this is the brush I'll be using, and I'll just take a bit of concealer. Again, it would be great that if you take a concealer which is brighter, like a lighter shade. So the next thing is just put some concealer on your brush and just follow your crease line till the half. Now I've done the cut crease. Now I'll be using again the same shade from my Sandstorm palette, and I'll be using on the edge of where I have done my cut crease to just blend that well. Then again I'll go back to my light brown shade and I'll just... Now I'm just gonna take this highlighter from NYX that's called Away Glow. This is really optional. If you want, you can use it, or else you can just directly get onto the glitter part. I'm just using this a little bit. And on top of this, I'll be putting the glitter. I'll be using from Barium Cosmetics my Sandstorm palette. I'll be using this golden on top of that. So I'm just using with my hand because the glitters really work well with your fingers. I'll take my blending brush and just blend this a bit. So now I'll remove the tape, so you can see that I've got like a proper line here and the eyeshadow has not gone underneath. So because of that, to prevent that, I always put the tape here. So now I've just used the eye gel on top of my eye, like an eyeliner. Now I'll be using the proper eyeliner on top of this. So I just finished my eyeliner. Then I have to do a few more things on my waterline and I have to smudge it and all. But before doing that, what I'll do is I'll just finish off my makeup and then come to this. So I'm just using my concealer and I'll just conceal and do my... I'll just finish off my whole makeup. So this concealer that I have used is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Now that I'll be using my foundation, this foundation is my absolute favorite. You might have seen my previous video, I was using Huda. So recently I've got the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, but what happened was this became a bit lighter. What I'm gonna do is, as I am in between shade, I'm gonna use this both, and this has like a really amazing coverage. So I'm gonna use both of them together. What people do is you just do the baking and then you carry on with your eye. But as I've just finished my eye, I'll just chill for a bit and let this bake for a while. Just gonna remove the excess powder that is here. Now I'll be contouring my face. Arabic makeup is all about contouring, and they have like a really perfect contours and those fine jawlines. So I'll try my level best to do that. Again, using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, this shade is Beautiful Bronze. You know the drill. So now, after bronzing my face, now I'll be using my highlighter. I use this highlighter, and this is the Essence Metal Chrome, and this is the shade. So again, I'm using the blush from Maybelline New York Master Blush, and I'll be using this, like I'll just mix these shades. I use my eyeliner again, the same eyeliner that I used, that's the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm just gonna connect this down. So I've just used it on my outer line down, and I have just extended it a bit in front. For my eyes is over. The last is the lipstick, and for my lipstick I'll be using this NYX Lingerie, and it's called the Exotic. So now I'm just gonna set this with my setting spray, and here I'm using the Urban Decay, the ones that I always use, and this is my favorite. If you have false eyelashes, you should use the false eyelashes. It will have like a really great effect. But for the time being, I don't have my fake eyelashes, so I'll just use. Now, I'm just gonna change and I'll be right back.
يا ليلي يا ليلى وش بدش نشكيلك يما وقالوا لي ليلى صغير وفي قلبي غمة حب نطير ونطير الفوق يحبوا يقصوا لي جناحي وليدك راني مخنوق ومنك طالب اسمعي